Yeah. Holy shit, this one has a lot more on this side.
Watch, I'm gonna have all that shit from them.
How much is in there?
He's spinning! Faster!
I gotta get mine off. Ow.
This is hard.
That's what she said.
Shit, why is there so much in this side?
I
don't know.
have a feeling Mr. Huber's gonna be like pissed.
Oh shit.
Oh boy. Keep going.
It smashed my hand.
Is that the same cassette?
Yeah! Mad stuff in there.
What a guy.
You guys are like children.
Why did it rip? No!
I can't see.
Doesn't work like that. Oh,
You guys are children.
I should have started projectile vomiting.
That'd be nasty.
Dude, look how much more would have came out. Ow.
Should I go out there like this?
You guys want lotion?
Get it
Yeah,
off
'cause
your
that's-
feet before you walk out there, like.
Why?
Because that's a safety hazard.
Oh yeah, if you trip.
That alone is a safety hazard.
Look how much more stuff, Andrew. We could have wrapped you in a shitload of this.
You can keep going.
You guys are children. I can't find it.
We're done.
Wait.
Oh wait, those.
Ow.
You got that on video?
Yeah.
My gum just fell. Where'd it go?
Oh my god, please don't put it in your mouth.
Mr.
Mr. Hebert, you know, we're done.
So far,